deepen our understanding of quantum leaps, we begin to recognize that transformation is not a linear path, but a multi-dimensional shift in perception. The moment we align our consciousness with a new frequency of reality, change occurs instantaneously. This is why some individuals seem to experience sudden breakthroughs in their lives, while others remain trapped in repetitive cycles. The difference lies not in effort, but in awareness. Each quantum leap is a moment of awakening, a realization that the reality we desire is already accessible. When we shift our focus from striving to being, we unlock the power to navigate between the layers of existence effortlessly. The key is not to force change, but to attune ourselves to the resonance of our highest potential. This attunement is not achieved through struggle, but through clarity, intention, and the ability to release attachments that bind us to limiting perspectives. The process of transformation unfolds in stages, each revealing deeper truths about the nature of reality and our place within it. Initially, we may experience a sense of dissonance, a feeling that our current reality no longer fits the emerging vision of who we are becoming. This dissonance is not a sign of failure, but a clear indication that our consciousness is expanding beyond its previous boundaries. It is in these moments of tension that the greatest breakthroughs are possible. Rather than resisting discomfort, we must embrace it as a signal that we are on the threshold of something greater. Every quantum leap requires a willingness to surrender outdated beliefs and step into the unknown with trust. The universe operates through a dynamic interplay of energy, and when we align with the right frequency, reality rearranges itself in accordance with our deepest intentions. One of the most profound aspects of quantum transformation is the realization that time is not a fixed sequence of events, but a flexible dimension through which we navigate. The past, present, and future exist simultaneously as interconnected points within the field of all possibilities. When we embody a new state of consciousness, we do not merely change our future, we also redefine our past by shifting the meaning we assign to previous experiences. This understanding liberates us from the constraints of linear time and empowers us to rewrite our narrative. The limitations we once accepted as unchangeable dissolve in the presence of expanded awareness. We recognize that we are not victims of circumstance, but active participants in the co-creation of our reality. Every thought, every emotion, every belief is a choice that shapes the world we experience. The practice of conscious alignment is essential for sustaining quantum leaps. Just as a musician must consistently tune their instrument to maintain harmony, we must cultivate a state of inner coherence that resonates with our desired reality. This requires mindfulness, intentionality, and a deep trust in the unseen forces that guide our transformation. One of the most effective ways to sustain this alignment is through the power of visualization. When we vividly imagine a reality with absolute certainty, we are not engaging in mere fantasy. We are tuning into a frequency that already exists within the field of possibilities. Visualization is not about wishing for something outside of ourselves, but about recognizing and embodying a reality that is already present. Another crucial element of transformation is emotional congruence. It is not enough to think about a new reality. We must feel it as if it were already true. Emotions act as amplifiers of our intentions, magnifying the energy we project into the field of possibilities. The more we embody the emotions associated with our desired reality, the more effortlessly we attract experiences that reflect that state of being. Releasing resistance is equally vital. Many people unknowingly block their quantum leaps by holding on to fear, doubt, or attachment to specific outcomes. The paradox of transformation is that the more we try to control it, the more we delay its manifestation. True change occurs when we surrender to the natural flow of consciousness, allowing it to guide us without resistance. The path of quantum transformation is not about doing more, but about being more. It is about recognizing that the universe is constantly responding to our state of consciousness and that our external reality is a direct reflection of our inner world. By shifting our internal state, we automatically shift our external circumstances. As we continue on this journey, we become more attuned to the subtle signs that indicate we are moving in alignment with our highest potential. Synchronicities increase, doors open effortlessly, and a deep sense of knowing replaces uncertainty. This is not a coincidence, but a direct result of our conscious participation in the unfolding of reality. The final realization in the process of quantum leaps is that the journey never truly ends. Each transformation is a stepping stone to an even greater expansion of consciousness. As we embody new levels of awareness, we gain access to even higher dimensions of reality, each offering deeper insights and more profound possibilities. The universe is infinite, and so are we. There is no limit to what we can experience, create, and become. The only barriers that exist are those we impose upon ourselves. When we release these self-imposed limitations, we step into the vastness of our true nature, where every possibility is within reach. The realization that reality is fluid and ever-changing brings with it a deep sense of responsibility. Once we understand that our consciousness is the key to unlocking new dimensions of experience, we can no longer view life as something that happens to us. Instead, we recognize ourselves as the architects of our own reality. This understanding shifts our entire perspective and compels us to take full ownership of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Each thought we entertain, each emotion we nurture, and each belief we hold contributes to the structure of our experience. This is why cultivating mindfulness is essential. The more consciously we choose our mental and emotional states, the more deliberately we shape our reality. Quantum leaps are not accidental. They are the result of sustained awareness and intentional alignment with the frequencies of our desired experiences. This shift in consciousness does not mean that challenges will never arise. However, our approach to them changes drastically. Instead of seeing obstacles as barriers, we begin to view them as opportunities for refinement and expansion. Every difficulty we encounter serves as a mirror, reflecting back to us the areas in which our alignment can be strengthened. Growth is an ongoing process, and each quantum leap brings new layers of understanding and self-mastery. When we embrace this truth, we move beyond the need for external validation. We no longer seek permission to step into our power. We realize that the universe itself is inviting us to claim our rightful place as conscious creators. The hesitation that once held us back dissolves in the presence of deep self-awareness. The need for external approval fades as we recognize that our reality is shaped from within. At this stage of transformation, synchronicities become more pronounced. The external world begins to reflect our inner shifts with astonishing clarity. We encounter people, opportunities, and experiences that seem divinely orchestrated to support our journey. These synchronicities are not random. They are direct confirmations that we are in resonance with our chosen reality. The universe is always responding to our state of being, guiding us toward our highest potential. With each passing moment, we come closer to the realization that there are no limits, only the ones we impose upon ourselves. When we surrender to the infinite possibilities that exist within us, we transcend the illusion of separation and step into a reality where anything is possible. This is the essence of quantum transformation, the recognition that we are and have always been the creators of our own experience. Now is the time to step into this awareness fully. The door to transformation is open, and the only requirement is our willingness to walk through it. The choice is ours. We can either continue living from outdated perceptions, or we can take the leap and embrace our true, limitless nature. The universe awaits our decision, ready to align with whatever reality we choose to embody. The path is clear. The moment is now.